Welcome students, I am Ruchika Agrawal, Assistant Professor in Modern Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences. Today we learn about the disease osteoporosis. Definition: osteoporosis is defined as a metabolic skeletal disease characterized by low bone density and the microarchitectural deterioration of the bone tissue, which result in increased bone fragility and susceptibility to the fractures. In that disease, the bone are weakened and susceptible to the fractures are more easily. The vertebrae, wrist and hips are the most common site of fracture as shown in the diagram. Pathophysiology: bone remodeling occurs throughout an individual lifetime. In normal adult, the activity of bone reabsorption is balanced by that of bone formation called the osteoblast. Normal bone remodeling in the adult result in gradually increase the bone mass until the early 30. After with aging, the peak bone mass is gradually decreased. First is calcitonin. Calcitonin, which inhibit the bone reabsorption and promote the bone formation, when is decreased with the ages, our peak bone mass is gradually decreased. Same estrogen, which inhibit the bone breakdown, is decreased, resulting in the peak bone mass gradually decrease. And last one is PTH, increase the bone turnover and the reabsorption is increased. Risk factor: female more than the male in that disease are affected. Increased ages, the osteoporosis disease is increased. Inadequate intake of calcium and vitamin D is responsible for that disease. Estrogen deficiency and menopause, family history, lack of physical activities, smoking, alcohol consumption, medications such as corticosteroids or anti-seizure drugs, low weight and body mass index. It also a risk factor in that disease. Causes of osteoporosis: there are several causes with this disease. Some are following. First is metabolic condition, that means the calcium deficiency, vitamin deficiency and the malnutrition. Endocrine disease, for example hyperparathyroidism. Renal disease, gastrointestinal liver disease, bone marrow infiltration like the leukemia. Drugs like the phenobarbital, thyroid hormone, corticosteroids. Lifestyle change, for example more smoking, more alcohol consumption, smoking, inactivity, excess caffeine taken and rheumatic arthritis. These are the several causes which is responsible for that disease. Sign and symptoms: osteoporosis has been called a silent disease because the bone mass is lost over many years with no sign or symptoms. The sign and symptoms of disease is loss in height, back pain, vertebral collapse. Diagnosis: the diagnosing include the X-ray studies determine the bone density, then radiographics which determine the bone mass. Ultrasonography determine the bone disease, and dual energy X-ray absorptiometry, which is also called the DEXA, is the preferred modality for measuring the bone mineral density. Treatment and prevention used for that disease is calcitonin, a synthetic thyroid hormone usually prescribed as a daily nasal spray to reduce the factor that cause the loss of calcium and increase the reabsorption of the calcium in the gastrointestinal tract. Next, some selective estrogen receptor modulator is also given in that disease. Hormone replacement therapy, to increase the serum estrogen level, which in turn decrease the rate of bone reabsorption, is used for that treatment. The main goal of treatment is to prevent the development of the osteoporosis and to stabilize the remaining bone mass. First is a calcium-rich diet in the childhood. The adolescent may need the 1200 mg and the post-menopausal woman may need the 1500 mg daily calcium. Milk, cheese, yogurt are the rich in calcium. Elderly should be advised to take 400 to 800 unit of vitamin D daily. Comes from the two sources, the sun and the fortified dairy product. For example, egg yolk, then salt water fish and the liver. We prevent that disease by the healthy lifestyle. For example, never smoking, exercise regularly in the childhood and the adolescence can ensure that you will reach the peak bone density, which give strength to your bones. Alcohol, caffeine intake should be avoided. Women with low bone weight, those with eating disorder should receive the appropriate evaluation, RX and the dietary counseling. Thank you everyone.